Once upon a time. This is Camp Counselor Michaels, and I'm reporting from the car, and we're here with the Beast, the unknown Beast.
I'm a rock and roll Asian prince. Rock and roll Asian prince.
Yeah, it's another good one. We're at Dollar General. Getting some D batteries.
Asian prince.
Asian prince.
I'm a rock and roll Asian prince.
I'm a rock and roll Asian prince. And we're here getting some D batteries. So D bags. And we'll
Tea bags.
And we'll see you in the movie. Story for ya. Action.
You suck.
Pointed and laughed. And threw rocks. Others say he fell in a radioactive lake and turned into the great monster we know today as the Cookie Monster.
Action. Frowns.
Is that really true? Duh! That's pathetic. Like, staying next to
Should I make my?
Yeah, you should do that.
I'm gonna do la la la, and you guys keep screaming until like 2 seconds after that, and then Kira will go. Ready? No, you stop, and then she's like.
No, you guys, no, don't. No, I'll go check.
Can't wait. Now we're making a movie. Wait. We saw your leg. Yeah. 3, 2.
Boo. Ow, hot wax. Ow, take it, ouch. I told you.